Hi, I'm Ken Fain from Island Carpet. I've talked a little bit about the realities of wood flooring, and I said don't pay any attention to warranties. All wood scratches, scuffs, gouges, and dents. Period. You walk on it, you abuse it. I don't care what the finish is. That's what happens. Run the other way when people come at you with 99-year guarantees. I want to show you a document I found the other day that I think will help explain. This is something put out by the National Wood Flooring Association. Those guys are the real experts when it comes to wood floors. Let me read this to you. What is not covered by warranties? Splits, cracks, grain raising, checking, buckling, cupping, crowning, edge fracturing, splintering, or chipping that occurs during or after the floor has been installed and is a result of abuse, misuse, improper maintenance, or improper care. That's a lot to be afraid of. The other thing that they say here, and this is the most important thing, exposure to excessive moisture or improper environmental conditions, that is either low or high humidity, are not covered by these warranties. The use of a humidifier or dehumidifier may be necessary to maintain the proper humidity level of between 35% and 55%. Now, this isn't just for some wood floors. This is for all wood floors. Humidity and temperature are key. Wood is always going to expand and contract. And if you're dealing with fluctuating humidity ranges, you're going to potentially have problems with your wood floor. And those problems are not due to the manufacturer or the installer. That's the story with maintaining wood floors. Ken Fain, Island Carpet, Tile and Hardwoods.